So we saw how to enter the journals, we also saw how to post the journals, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, I.
Okay, today we'll see how to go and understand, we try to understand how to go with suspense journal. I go to journal, enter, new journal. Top you see, Tata Group, this one. Now you see, I go to journal, enter. Now I'm not using any more new batch. I'm directly creating what? New journal. No batch. I directly go with journal. What will happen to batch will understand. I'll go to journal, new journal. Category I'll take purchases. Same January. Tata Group ledger. Category purchases. Period is January. Company 1, Department 1. Company 1, Department 1, made purchases. Company 1, Department 1, made purchases, 7,500 debit. What's the credit you see?
That's blank.
Nothing.
Which period?
Jan.
January.
Category?
Purchases.
Category purchases. Source?
Manual.
Source you see manual because we are entering it manually. Purchase journal for period January. Category purchases we entered manually. For Tata Group ledger C1 D1 E03. E03 is what? Purchases. Made purchases 7,500, no credit. Here you see no credit at all. I say save, now you get a message. The total debit is not equal to total credit, you still want to save. There is a debit is there but no credit is there, you still want to go ahead. Total debit is not equal to total credit. You still want to save. Let us save and see what will happen. I go with yes. I saved it. Down you see also got post button. I'm clicking on the post button. So posting completed normal. For January period, purchase journal C1 D1 E03. E03 is purchases. So you see E03 is purchases. So I give debit, no credit. Now I open the entry. What was the batch name we gave?
No batch.
No batch. Whenever you don't give any batch name, you see system is going to take what?
Name of the journal.
System is going to take same journal name. Same journal name as a batch name followed by date and time. The user is not going to give any batch name. The user not going to give any batch name. System is going to take same journal name as a batch name. So here you see same journal name, same purchase journal as a batch name followed by date and time. C1 D1 M02. What is M02?
Suspense account.
So from where it is coming up?
Chart of accounts.
The suspense account is from where it is firing. From where this account is getting fired.
The system knows that we have a suspense account in the chart of accounts.
Where? Where we created this? Where we gave this? While creating segment values, I gave this. I know that.
Yeah.
Apart from there, from where it is picking up? It is picking from the ledger. Other day, while creating accounting setup and accounting options, in the accounting options we gave. Retained earnings is a mandatory account without which you can't able to create the ledger. Apart from that, we also given the suspense account there in the ledger level while creating ledger. From there it is picking up.
Okay.
You can also see the message. Suspense line added by posting for January category purchases. System has given the credit automatically as suspense account. Suspense line added by posting. Now I open my ledger again. How to open the ledger? Open the ledger again. I go to update here. Here you see, while creating the ledger retained earnings we gave, we also given the suspense account. From here the suspense account is coming up. Now I am removing the suspense account. I removed it. I click on finish. Ledger Tata Group ledger has been updated. Close the window. Now I go to journal, enter new journal, same purchase journal, same category purchases, period February, C1 D1 E03. E03 is purchases, not 7,500, now it's 8,500. Purchase journal, category purchases, purchase journal, category purchases, but not January, it's February. Not 75, it's 85. Only debit, no credit. Total debit is not equal to credit, you still want to save yes. I saved it, I also posted it. Now what will happen to credit? You will get suspense account or not?
Yes, no.
Sorry?
Yeah, I don't think it'll put it in. I don't think the post will succeed.
Why?
Because it doesn't balance, the journal doesn't balance, and there's no suspense accounts to balance it.
What do you say, Harsha?
I agree with what this guy said.
Hello?
Yeah.
What he told Sukumar, I didn't follow.
Yeah, he agreed with me, basically.
I agree with Sukumar.
Posting single ledger completed a warning. February, you see error number 6. Error number 6 showing unbalanced journal entry. Suspense not allowed. The entry is not balanced. Also suspense not available at ledger level. It is not been created by the user while creating the ledger. So how to correct the entry?
Just click on the blue on the left side, or just go to review journal.
Then
And then I guess
then what, Sukumar?
then you give it to cash account, or
Yes,
you
you
have
can
to
give the
make
cash
credit.
account or credit you can give.
Yeah.
Otherwise, go back to ledger. Do the suspense account here. C1, D1, M02, click on top right side, you see finish. Open the journal. Now you again post it. Now again, no, there is no credit. When there is no credit, where it will go? It will go and see at ledger level. Ledger level suspense account available, it is going to bring that. Completely normal. Purchase journal 8,500 for February posted. For this also you will get automatically suspense line added by posting. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Whenever I am giving debit, no credit, for credit, what is coming up?
Suspense.
Code. Code.
Code. Sorry for. I'm not sure I understand the question.
What is the code for suspense? Suspense code.
So M02. Like in this structure.
Don't say simply suspense, you say code. What is the code you are getting? M02 suspense.
Yeah.
Now the requirement goes like this. Whenever we give debit without credit, generally you get suspense account, that is M02. Now the requirement is what? Not M02, I want A03. What is A03?
Cash.
Cash account you want. I repeat again. I give debit, no credit. For credit, I don't want M02. M02 is suspense account, we know, but we don't want M02. What we want?
A03.
What is that?
Cash account.
So instead of M02, we want A03. A03 is cash. We want cash. Now I go to setup. Accounts suspense. Setup accounts suspense. Ledger, Tata ledger. If you enter the entry manually, the two category payment, debit no credit, debit no credit, then you give A03. What is A03?
Cash.
A03 is a cash. Following my point?
Yeah.
A03 cash I want. But when you want, when there is an entry with debit without credit, only if these two combinations are matching. Category should be payment, that you should enter manually. You enter manually, category payment, then you give A03. Don't give M02. Replace M02 with A03. Only these two combinations. Source should be manual, category should be payment.
And what if there's a credit but no debit?
Sorry?
What
Sorry?
if there is a credit entered but not debit?
Same thing. For the if the category payment, if the source manual, then you will get cash account. Suspense account will fire for both debit or credit. Unbalanced general entry, this is going to fire.
Okay.
But cash account when you get? Cash account when you get? Replacing M02.
Yeah.
When you get?
When there's the category is payments.
Yes.
Okay.
Source is?
Source
Source
is manual.
is?
Manual.
Then when you get M02?
If there is a debit without a credit entry or a credit entry without debit, that's when you get suspense account.
When you get A02, when you get M02?
You get A03 when
A03 when you get?
it's the ledger is Tata Group ledger, when the source is manual and the category is payments, and there is a misbalance. That's when A03 is used. For all other sources or ledgers and categories, the suspense account is used.
Can you come again, last one?
Actually, last one, for any other source, even for category of payments, if the source is not manual, then it will use a suspense account. Or if the category is
Let us
anything
assume that source is manual only.
okay, and if the category is payments, then it will use the cash account instead of the suspense account.
Then M02? Other than this category, other than this source, you will get M02.
Yeah.
anything other than this source and anything other than this combination, you will get M02 only.
Right.
Shall we go and see this?
Yeah.
New journal. And journal category payment. February. Category payment. C1, D1, E01. E01 is what? Rent. Category is category payment, source manual. C1, D1, E01. E01 is what? Rent. Total debit is not equal to total credit for this journal. Do you still want to save? Yes. Save it, post it. Which period is that?
February.
Payment with the manual. C1, D1, A03. A03 is what?
Cash.
Cash. You get same cash account, but here you see suspense line added by posting. Same cash account, whatever we gave there, the same account will display. The same message you get, but account will be different. C1, D1, A03. Clear?
Yeah.
Tell me both of you.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Category payroll. Category payroll manual, then you don't get this. You get only with this combination matches.
Right.
Payment with manual. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see next topic. That is account aliases. Or we'll see. Okay, we'll see first document sequence, and we'll go to account alias. Document sequence. I go to new journal. Below effective date, what you see? Below effective date.
Budget.
Below effective date, you see budget. Is it not? I can also see its budget. Below effective date, it's budget now. Now I go to, we have a profile called as, I go to other profile. We got a profile called as sequential numbering. This is a profile. Profile sequential numbering by default is not used. I make it as what? I make it as a partially used. By default is not used. Profile user value, I'm making it as a partially used. Once after enabling this, I go to journal, enter new journal. The moment I go to journal, new journal, for you or for me or someone else, after enabling partially used, you may get error like this. But this error won't stop you. This error won't say anything. You say what? Okay. Will allow you to go further. So below effective date, what was you were seeing earlier? What was there earlier?
Budget.
Now
Document number.
document number. So what is this document number basically? Based on the category that you enter journal, let's say example, I given a work to you and as well as Harsha, Sukumar and Harsha. What work? To enter the journals. And both will be enter journals with category, let's say example, payment. Harsha will enter one journal, he'll get 1. Sukumar will enter one more journal, he'll get 2. Same category, it will work based on the category. Harsha will enter with category payment, he'll get 1. Then you enter, Sukumar will enter, he'll get 2. Again Harsha will enter with 3. Again Harsha 4th one. Like that, you keep on entering with the journal with category called as payment. Based on the category payment, it will keep on generating the numbers, sequential numbers. Now you people will ask me, what is the use of this? The use of this is what? Let's say example, Sukumar and Harsha, for both of you, I'm the boss. I'm the superior. So I want to know how many journals that you both guys put together that you are passing daily. For every year that you enter, for every entry you save, system is going to generate the sequential number, 1, 2, 3 like that. So now you see sequential numbering got enabled. Is it not? Earlier budget was there. Now document number system is going to allow you to do this. But meanwhile, we need to do a couple of steps. Let us do that. Setup. Financial. Sequence. Document. Define. Name of the document sequence. Document sequence 001. I want to use in general ledger. Here you give start date of your calendar. Our calendar start date is 1st January. For all the journals which got created from 1st January onwards, you want sequence number to be created. Automatic numbering. Initially, if I am going to give 100, you start from 100. If you give 1, you start from 1. If you give 1000 here, it will start from 1000. So let's give 100 and see. Let it start from 100. So document sequence 100, 101, 102, 103, 104 like that. So document sequence 001 I would like to use in general ledger. Starting from 1st January 2014, automatic numbering, initial value 100. This document sequence I am going to assign. Application, general ledger. For which category you want this sequence to fire? Only for payment category, that too only for Tata ledger. Method not required for us. In Tata primary ledger, you enter journal with category payment, only with payment. Payroll you require to create again separately in the second line. Currently I am creating only for payments. Payroll also can create third, second line, purchase, receipts, like that you can create multiple lines, no issues. Now category payments, general ledger. In Tata Group ledger, you enter category payments. That time this document sequence should fire. What is that? Document sequence 001 should fire. What we give in the document sequence 001, document sequence we give starting from 100 we give, automatic numbering starting from 100. In general ledger, document sequence 001 will fire starting from 100, 101, 102, 103, so on. Starting from 100. Automatic numbering initial value 100. That too only in Tata Group ledger, that too only with payment category. For payroll, no numbering will get. Purchase, no numbering. We are creating only for payments. Only payments, that too Tata Group ledger, starting from 1st January 2014, automatic numbering. That's what we gave in document sequence 001. Save it. This error message is a default behavior. For you also you get, don't come back to me and don't ask me, sir, what is this? This is by default behavior. And once you enable the sequence, you say OK. Then I say again rent journal, category payment, period could be anything. I take February. Here you see document number, what below effective date, what is the document number you see? No number you see. Category payment, rent journal, company 1, department 1, paid rent. How they paid rent? Company 1, department 1, paid rent by cash. Paid rent by cash. So see the document number. What is the document number you see? No number. Now I say save. Now you see document number is what? 100. For every entry you enter, system is going to generate the number. That too only with category payment. Now I say down arrow. Again rent journal, category payment, period March, February and March, anything is fine. $1,500, March, category payment, document number you see nil. I say save. Just a second, let us enter credit also. Save it. Now you see, once you save it, number has generated 101, 102, 103, like that. It will keep on incrementing the number. Tomorrow, if in case you don't want this document number, go to other profile, sequential numbering, partially used, remove it, save it. Then default value is what? Not used. We say not used. That means sequential number, we are not going to use it. Now you see, below effective date, what is there?
Budget.
What happened to document number? It's gone. Followed, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Harsha?
Yes, right.
Any questions, any one of you?
I have a simple question. I see that like when you input all this, the company, department and account, you do it very fast. It looks like you use keyboard shortcuts.
Yes.
What are those? Or is it a
Control L, that's it.
okay? Control L, what does it do? Like, does it pop up the prompt?
Because my daily job is that.
No,
My
what does it
daily
do?
job
Like
is that. That is the reason I'm taking fast. That's it.
Okay. No, it's like Control L. Like, what does it do? Is it the equivalent of clicking
List.
on that
Control L
data
is
point?
list.
List. Okay. Okay, got it.
Just a second, gentlemen. Just give about 10 minutes break. You also can take small break. Okay. We'll rejoin and we'll go further.
Okay, Sai.
Okay. Just take a 10 minutes break. Not even 10 minutes break. 5 minutes break is enough. I'll ping you within 5 minutes. We'll continue.
Okay.
Okay. Sukumar,
Yeah, I'm back.
now tell me you have followed that the previous one or not. If in case you feel that I am little fast in that particular aspect, I can reduce my speed.
No. It's for me it was absolutely fine. Yeah, the speed is absolutely fine because we both of us. I think Harsha does that too. We both review this anyway, so we always have the option of pausing and doing that. Yeah, it's not a problem.
Yes, Harsha.
Right. I'm fine. The speed that you took, it's fine.
You want me to reduce my speed? I can also reduce the speed. I
No,
don't
no,
have
no.
any issues.
No, not an issue. It's good. It's fine.
Okay, just a second. Then next we'll see is, some other topic. We'll see something called as recurring journals. We'll see. What is that?
Recurring journals.
Yes. We didn't do auto posting, right? Have you done auto posting?
No.
Okay, let me first complete the auto posting, then we'll see. So how many ways of posting that you know till now?
Three ways. One from the journal itself, or the batch itself, and
One is
or you
open
can-
the entry. Down you see we got a post button. From here you can post.
yeah.
What is the other one? Through navigator. Okay.
Yeah.
The third one which I am trying to show you is now auto posting. So for auto posting the prerequisite is what? There should be some journals that to be the status unposted. If the entries are there with the status unposted, only those journals we can able to post it. So let me create some journals. Here you see there is no single journal with the status unposted. There are about 5 journals are there, but all the journals already got posted. So when those journals already got posted, you can't able to post the journal which is already got posted. So let us create few journals. Let us leave it with the status unposted and we'll try to post it through auto post. I go with new journal. I say rent journal. Category payment. January. Mind you please. January period. Period is January. Category is payment. You see, I am just taking Control L, again Control L. I am taking Control L, because I just got habituated. That is the reason I am taking everything Control L. If I take slowly, also same thing. Control L, again Control L, department again Control L, again accounts Control L. I type E, I take rent. I type A, I'll get assets. I type L, I'll get liabilities. I type M, I get all the mandatory accounts. I get R, all revenues. Now I type what? E. I enter 2000, paid by cash 2000. C1 D1 A03. What is A03? A03 is a cash. Debit is there, credit is there, company 1, save it, but no posting. So rent a journal for which period?
January.
Category?
Payments.
Source?
Manual.
If you are going to see source would be manual. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Rent journal, category payment, period January. January period. January period. Category payment. Source manual. I am repeating again, please do remember. Rent journal for January. Category payment, source manual. I say down arrow. I go with salary journal. Salary category I take payroll. It's not January now, it's February. Salary is for February. Salary is for February. Salary is for February. E02 is what?
Salary.
C1 D1 E02 salary. 3000. Paid by cash. February category payroll. February category payroll. Source manual. We entered manually only. February payroll. 3000. Earlier entry, what was the name of the earlier entry?
Rent.
This entry?
Salary.
Rent, how much we paid?
I think 2,500.
2000 we paid. What was the period for rent?
Jan.
This period?
Jan.
This period, salary journal period.
Salary is February.
Category for rent journal?
That is payments.
Category?
This is payroll.
Category for rent journal we entered for payment,
First
right?
payment.
Which period was that? Which
Yeah,
period
that
was
was
that?
payment. That was Jan.
This is February.
Yeah.
Now you see how many journals are there with the status unposted? January, February. January payment, February payroll. Both are unposted. 2000, 3000. Rent journal, salary journal. So we'll try to post it through auto post. Whenever you enter journal for previous period, what would be the effective date?
Last day. Hello?
Future period.
Future period first.
Current period.
Current date.
Okay, now let us do criteria, setup, journal, auto post criteria, Tata, auto post criteria 001. Priority 1, ledger is Tata Group ledger, source manual, category payment. We are doing currently actuals. period February. This is the condition. I won't change the condition. I keep the condition like this. Keeping this condition into consideration, how many entries will get posted? Keeping this into consideration, how many entries will get posted?
One.
I think only one.
The rent one, the rent journal.
And what
Wait,
this is you are
actually
saying?
zero. I would say zero because I think the period for the rent was January.
Yeah, I think all the journals that are dated before the current period, I think they would be posted.
Which entry will get posted, Harsha?
I think only payments would be posted.
Okay, Harsha, I'll give one more combination for you. Please tell me no again.
Over here, I think zero journals. I think over here zero journals would be posted because payroll is running in February and the period is Jan 14th. So
You mean to say how many journals will post? Sorry?
zero journals would be posted.
Now?
I think one should be posted. So it's manual.
I think here also it's the same thing. I think it's a zero because the period is February here, but in the journal for payments we used the period of January.
Harsha?
I think anything before February should be posted.
No. Now also we have entry. We have entered entry for period January, the payment entry, not for February. So that won't get posted.
Okay.
Here if you give January, then the entry will get posted. Or if you give here payroll, the salary will get posted. Here if you give category as payroll, salary will get posted. Or you change the period to January, it should get posted. Is Harsha followed or not?
Yeah, followed.
Now?
Both
Now
both get posted.
Now?
Yes, all of them, both of them.
Yes. I saw some movie, I don't really remember who is the hero in that. The hero comes and says that any center, any corner, I'll come and fight alone. Like that some dialogue was there. Here also something like that. Any category, any source, any period, any balance state will get posted. Is that is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, clear.
But over and above I can put some condition. What is that? Over and above this condition I am putting. What is this condition? Based on this condition, you tell me how many entries. All is there, but over and above all, this one more is there. 5 days early current date, 5 days after current date. With this, how many entries will get posted?
Only one. I think the payroll will get posted, but the rent won't be posted because the effective date is 31st January, which is much before the 5 days setting that we have here.
Akshay, what you say?
I think I agree with Sukumar.
Sure?
Yep.
Which one will get post, rent or salary, Harsha?
Rent is for the period of Jan 31st and
So?
salary is for Feb 1st. So you take this or minus 10 and would go with the current date minus 5. Actually, both won't be posted as per current date. I think today is 8, so it would
Including
take
current
that.
date. Current date is what? Including current date also will get post.
Yeah, including current date. If you do minus 5 days, it will be roughly about 2nd or 3rd.
Hmm.
So both won't be posted actually.
Because it says actually it's a date range, so it's like it's just like from to, so 5 days before current date and 5 days after current date. So you have
Actually, I think payroll would be posted. Payroll would be Feb 14, right? And it goes as current date. So I think only payroll would be posted and rent won't be posted
Why?
because 5 days before and 5 days after current date.
Yes.
So
How about rent journal then?
rent journal is in Jan, so it will be Jan 31st. So it won't be posted.
Okay.
And salary journal is in February. It will be current date, so it will be posted.
Yes. When you say early 5 days, it will go up to back up to from today approximately up to 3rd it will go back.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yep.
From today it will go forward up to 13th. 3rd to 13th. Within this date range, all unposted journals will get posted. But we have entry which got posted for 31st December, that is January. Rent. Previous period system took last date of the previous period. Followed?
yeah.
Harsha. Harsha followed.
Followed, Sai.
Now I give 10 days. How many entries will get posted? 1 or 2 or none?
So both will be posted.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree.
I say save. I click on what submit. Posting request ID so and so 0753. So on the top you see program. What program is running on the top?
Automatic posting.
Yes, program automatic posting is running. Now above this you see one more program you will get. That is called as posting. Automatic program will run. It search for any unposted journals are there to be posted. Then if anything to be posted above this you get posting program. Now you see you got posting program. You see all these journals 2000, 3000 also got posted. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Fine, gentlemen. Let me stop for today. We'll catch up my 6:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. For you guys. I don't know today, same day, but what would be your time? I'm not sure.
7 p.m. It will be 7 p.m.
6:30 a.m. your time.
Yes.
Yeah, for me it'll be 7 p.m. and for you, Harsha, it'll be 8 p.m.
Yeah. So it'll be tonight, right?
Yeah,
Sorry?
yeah, for us it'll be
Tonight.
tonight.
Yes.
Okay.
For me tomorrow morning 6:30 a.m.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Okay, we'll catch up further. We'll go to more topics tomorrow morning.
Okay, Zai.
Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, guys.
The organ